Once upon a time, in the heart of the colorful savannah, lived a curious little boy named Timmy and a friendly lion named Leo. Timmy and Leo were inseparable friends, exploring the vast wilderness together.
We all know that creating animated content are actually quite difficult and takes a lot of time and also attention right there. But with the generation of some cool artificial intelligence, creating animations has actually been made easier right now. That's why in today's video, guys, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide that you can use to go on to creating simple animated videos just by utilizing AI tools. And if you're new to my channel, guys, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could go on to making money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there. Also, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is always turned on all right there. And make sure you do go on to liking this video afterwards. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So the first step which you want to do right now is to just simply go into generating content for your video right now. You can generate a script for your video utilizing this particular platform called Chat GPT. So if you do come onto this platform called Chat GPT, all you need to do is to just simply go on to type in a simple prompt to generate a simple story for your video right now. So I'm just going to ask Chat GPT to write a kid story about a lion and a boy in just 200 words, or in 200 words right now. So I actually did write this to actually make this 200 words so that the video will not be quite lengthy right now. So you can see right here that ChatGPT is actually writing a very cool story right now, and ChatGPT is actually done with the story right now. So you can see how cool and amazing this is right here. So now once ChatGPT is done with the story, we're not going to stop there. We're going to move on further to actually use this particular platform called ChatGPT to generate prompts which we can use to generate our videos right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply ask ChatGPT a new prompt. So right here, guys, I'm just asking ChatGPT that I want to use an AI generated cartoon video for my story. Please generate some prompts according to the story to generate videos with any AI video generator. So if you do ask ChatGPT a simple text such as this and click on enter, you can see that ChatGPT actually went on to generating a very cool and amazing prompt right now, which I can actually go on to utilizing to generate videos right now. So you can actually do see how cool this is. So what we need to do first of all is to go on to this story which was created by ChatGPT. You want to just simply copy the story right now, and we're going to move on to the second step, which is step 2, and that step actually involves us converting that story into a voiceover or into speech. And there are a lot of cool AI tools out there that you can use to do that right now, but a very cool one I do prefer using is this platform called 11labs.io, which you can go on to sign up for absolutely free utilizing your email address. Once you do sign up to this platform right here, guys, you want to just simply go on to inserting your text prompt right here in this particular section. You want to insert the story right now in this section which says text. Once you do insert the story, you can just simply click on generate right here, and you can see right here that the voiceover generation
Once upon a time, in the heart of the
and you can see right here that the voiceover has actually been generated. You can take note that you could go on to changing the voice from this particular section. You can see the voice right now is an Adam. You can go on to changing that to any voice of your choice right here just by utilizing this section right now. So once I do actually select this right here, you can see right now I could just simply click on this download icon and the voiceover will be downloaded on my device right now. So once the voiceover has been downloaded, the next thing which we want to do right now is to just simply go on to generating our videos. But before we do that, guys, if you don't want to use the 11labs.io, there are other platforms that you can use for the text to speech right here, such as the Morph AI, and also this platform called the ttsfree.com. This is a platform where you can go on to utilizing for absolutely free. Just simply come onto this section, paste in that text, select the voice style which you want. You can adjust your pitch right now and the voice speed right there, and also go on to clicking on convert now to go on to generating a cool voice over for that particular video by converting that text into speech utilizing this platform called the ttsfree.com. So that's absolutely quite amazing right now. Once you actually do that, guys, we're going to move on to the third step, which is to go into generating our videos right now. And we're going to utilize a very cool platform called the Plaiday AI. So if you do go onto Google and you search for the Plaiday AI, you just simply click on the first option right here, which is the Plaiday.ai, and it's going to take you to a very cool web page where you want to just simply go on to sign up for free. You can sign up using your Google account right now and just simply connect to their Discord space. So if you do connect to their Discord server right now, as you can see, I'm on their Discord server right here, and you want to just simply come onto this section which says play with AI and go into one of these groups right here, which is the play groups, and you can just simply go on to typing in any text prompt of your choice, and that is actually going to help you to convert that text prompt into a video right now. You can see right here a lot of people have actually been doing this right now, utilizing this simple platform right here. So if I just scroll down to this section, you can see that this was a very cool video that was generated with this platform right now, just by actually typing in a simple prompt like crying woman and tears, and this was the video that was generated right here. That's how easy it is to generate video content and animated content with the help of this platform. So right now, to actually go into inserting our own prompt, I'm just going to come right here to this message section, click on this slash, and you want to select or type in play, and you want to select this play prompt right now. And if you do select that, you want to insert your text prompt. So if I do go back to Chat GPT and check out the prompt that Chat GPT actually did use right now or introduce me to, it says create an animated scene introducing the savannah with vibrant color showcasing Timmy and Leo's friendship right now. So right here is actually referring to the 10-year the boy right now as Timmy right here. So you want to just simply make that much more detailed. So in case of something else, I could just simply go into putting in something like in this particular platform, a 10-year-old boy or a young boy. So right here I can just simply type in something like portrait of a boy with the blonde hair in a magical forest. And if I do send this right here, as you can see, my prompt has actually been sent right here, and it will take quite some time to generate that particular video. So I can then go back to Chat GPT and go into checking out the second prompt right here, which is actually the discovery of a magical cave. You can see right here an animated sequence of Timmy and Leo finding the hidden cave behind the sparkling waterfall. So what I'm going to do right now is just to head back to this AI tool and actually do go into typing in the insert play. And if I do type in that, you can see this option which is the play prompts. Select that, and you want to just simply type in something like a cave behind a waterfall, and I'm just going to send that prompt also right there. You want to also go on to sending more prompt right now for your videos right there, from just by utilizing the prompt that ChatGPT actually generated for you. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to utilize these two prompts right here and generate just 2 videos so as not to make this video quite lengthy. So you want to just simply wait a little bit till this AI tool go on to generating your video content for you. So take a look at these, guys. These are the 2 videos that were actually generated for me right now. So if I actually go on to playing the first video right here, you can actually do see how cool the video goes on to looking like right here. This is the portrait of a boy with the blonde hair in a magical forest right now. So you could just simply play the video and see how cool that is. To download the video, click on this download icon, and that video will be downloaded on your device right now. You can actually do come right here to this platform and just simply go to checking out the second video right here and see how cool that actually is. So you can just simply click on the download icon right here and download also that video on your device right now. And once the video has successfully been downloaded on your device right there, you can actually go on to utilizing the text prompt which ChatGPT generated to go on to generating other scenes for your video right now. And once that has been done, we're actually going to move on to the 4th step right now. And the 4th step will involve us utilizing a video editor tool to go on to editing our video by merging the audio and video content together and also adding a background music. And you can use any video editing tool of your choice, but I'm going to be sticking with this one right here, which is called CapCut right now. So if I come onto this platform, I click on import right now. I'm just going to go on to scrolling through my device right now and select such videos which I just downloaded and the voiceover also. Since I'm actually just using 2 scenes, I'm just going to stick with that. This is the first video right here which I'm just going to add, and this is the second scene right now which I'm also going to add in this section. So once that has actually been added, you can actually come right here and add in the background, the music right there, or the voiceover right now in that section. Once that has actually been added, I can then just simply go on to checking how the video actually goes right now. You can actually check out, see that the video does not actually fit into the entirety of the audio right here, because I only created 2 scenes for the complete story of the video right now. But if the video does not fit after creating all your scenes, all you need to do is to select the video and actually go into the speed section and just simply reduce the speed right here for the video to actually go on to lasting longer right now. You can actually do the same thing for the other videos right there, and the videos will actually go on to lasting much more longer right now. So take a look at how cool this actually looks.
Once upon a time, in the heart of the colorful savannah, lived a curious little boy named Timmy and a friendly lion named Leo. Timmy and Leo were inseparable friends, exploring the vast wilderness together.
So you can see how easy it is to go into creating such cool and animated content. All I'm going to do right now is to just simply cut out this section right here of the video, that is of the audio, and go on to add in a very cool background music. I can actually come right here and add in a very simple and amazing transition for the video right now. Maybe I'm just going to add in something like this, add in a very cool transition right here. You could also add in some cool audio right now, maybe some audio effect right there on this particular section. You could come right into this effect and actually go on to add in some cool sound effects if you do want to right now, just by utilizing this section right now. So once you're done, you'll be able to see an export icon at the top right section. You want to just simply give this video a name. I'm just going to name it something like this. So once I do give it a name right here, I'm just going to go on to selecting the directory which I actually want the video to export to. And once the directory has actually been selected, just simply click on export right now, and the video exporting process will actually begin, and you can just simply go on to getting your cool video right now just by utilizing AI tools. So basically that's how simple it is to go on to doing this right now. And guys, if this video did add any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel OJ Marketing, and your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.